Hello everyone, I am Ronit. Hope you all are fine. Previously I had done the logic behind the generation of pulses. At first see the part 1 of this lecture, and for the rest of the part, keep watching this video. So previously we have done up to the generation of the switching pulses. And previously I forgot to change two things. Our AND gate is replaced with OR gate, and our greater than equal to sign is replaced with equal to sign. So let's do it first. Now the circuit is okay. After that, let's start with H-bridge. So you can see our cascaded H-bridge circuit is just completed. So now run the simulation and see the output voltage waveform. So you can see this is our output voltage waveform and a 5-level output voltage is generated. Our main motive is to generate this 5-level voltage: 2 VDC, VDC, 0, minus VDC and minus 2 VDC. So here you can see our positive 2 VDC voltage is 200 volt, and after that positive VDC voltage means 100 volt, and then 0 volt, and then minus 100 volt and minus 200 volt. So here I give the switching frequency as 200 Hz. Just give it 2 kHz. And already I had discussed how to give this switching frequency or how to generate this triangular wave from the repeating sequence in my PWM generation video. You can watch it. So we are giving the switching frequency as 2 kHz. Then run the simulation. This is our PWM generation. You can observe. And this is our output voltage. The 5-level output voltage, you can easily understand this. So now calculate the THD. Go to power guide. After that click on tools, THD Analysis, and give the fundamental frequency as 50 Hz. That is already given, and click on display. So you can see our THD is 26.98%. Previously in 3-level inverter, I told that if you increase the number of levels, your THD will automatically minimized. So in the 3-level, we get the THD for I think 42.97%, and in 5-level we get the THD at 26.98%. So by using this technique, you can easily generate 7-level, 9-level, 11-level, anything what you want. And check the THD, how it will minimize by increasing the number of levels in the output voltage. So if you like this video, just hit a like, and thanks for watching.